Hey! Hey, little guy. It's a baby bird. No shit, Sherlock. I was watering our flowers, all my grandma's flowers, because she has a fuck ton of them. Don't tell her I said that. And I was walking around, and I walked through this tree, and I was about to water it when I just noticed that this little guy was here. Guy or girl. This little one was here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But it's just sitting there. I'm actually gonna get away from here. I've been here for like 2 or 3 minutes now, just looking at him. Well, not 2 or 3 minutes, like more like a minute or two. But I'm sure Mom is nearby, because this is definitely a baby. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but I'm going to get away. But I just wanted to take a little video of the baby. So this will probably never happen to me again, so little record for the year. Peace.